Okay, so Lexi, this is what the quiz is over. So I'm gonna show you how to enter things into this formula to find a monthly payment. Okay, so the problem, it says to show our work. So what we plugged into the calculator, we'll put that here. Okay. The problem is new BMW 16.5. He makes a $1,500 down payment. So first of all, he only needs to finance $15,000. So that's the loan. The $15,000 is what we're going to pay interest on. So his bank is offering him 5.4% APR for 48 months. Okay, for 4 years. So the principal amount is the amount we're borrowing, $15,000. R is the rate per year. Okay, so we need to, or the monthly rate, we need to use that in the formula. It's the monthly R. And here we have the yearly R, and we just need the monthly rate. So we're going to take the 5.4%, which you know is, you move the decimal place 2 places. So instead of 5.4, it's 0.054, okay? And you divide that by 12, because then you get every month, because there's 12 months in a year. Okay, so that amount is 0.054 divided by 12 is about 0.0045. That's the R, 0.0045. And we have 48 months. And the trickiest part of this whole thing is just typing it in your calculator, for crying out loud. All right. So calculate Kayla's monthly payment. All right. So to get your monthly payment from the formula, I'm going to erase this so I got more space. Okay. All right. So the formula has the P multiplied by some fraction. The P is the 1,500, 1,000, multiplied by the fraction has a top, divided by the bottom of the fraction. Okay? And the top is the R number. And then we have 1 plus R, the parenthesis. So I'm going to make a parenthesis and put the 1 plus 0.0045. I'm running out of space here. And that's to the N, which we said is 48. On your calculator, you might need this key, the little triangle hat key, to do the power. Okay, divided by, and then we get the bottom of the fraction, 1 plus 0.0045, 48, almost the same thing like up top, kind of. Okay, and then we need to go down here and say minus 1. All right, so let's see, what's the answer when we do all that? Do I have my D answer key somewhere? I don't. Oh, it's on the back of the page. You have all the answers on the back of this paper, so you should get 348.18 approximately. So 348.16 or something like that. 348.16, I think. It might be 18. Anyways, the point is $348 and a few cents every month. So that is your monthly payment from the formula. Oh, I'm sorry, here. Let me show you that I forgot to put parentheses for the whole bottom of the fraction. We got parentheses for the top of the fraction. So you have a double parenthesis in there, and a parenthesis for the bottom of the fraction. Okay, actually I can get rid of this one. That looks perfect, yeah. So, sorry about that, there you go. So that's how you can type it in, and then you get your answer. So we got the whole bottom of the fraction and the whole top of the fraction has a set of parentheses for the whole bottom and the whole top. Okay. Madeline, 28,000. You can do that a similar way. But on this one, we have the monthly payment already and we know it. So to get the total cost, that means that we can figure out what we're really paying for this car, because it's $28,000 loan. The car price is $28,000, and but when we pay the $515.66 for 60 months, we're definitely paying more than $28,000. How much are we paying? What operation do you do? Yes, you times this by 60 and get an answer. And this one here you would times by 84 and get an answer. And then you're probably going to be comparing your answers, like subtracting your answers, okay, to figure out how much extra Madeline's paying for one of these options than the other one, okay? So you can use this plus all the answers on the back to figure this out. You should be able to do this.